What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video we are going to talk about how to pick the right funnel. How do you know which funnel to use? And if you like learning more tips and strategies on how to grow your business with digital marketing, then feel free to hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to recommend two different resources here. It can be kind of overwhelming to come into Clickfunnels and you have your business or you have your idea on how to start your business, and there's so many different funnels to choose, and there's kind of a few different ways that you can pick which funnel to use. Each funnel is going to be for a different purpose in your business. It's going to be maybe to sell a different product or to a different service or for a different business or whatever, but there's a couple of simple ways that you can figure out which ones to use. Now, the first one is maybe there's an obvious answer. For example, if you're a real estate agent or a local service, maybe there's already a funnel just specifically designed for you. In that case, then you're going to want to check that out. So I'll show you where you can find that in a second. But let's assume that it's a little more general. There's two really good resources that can help guide you in creating the right kind of funnel for exactly what you're looking for. And there's probably a pre-made kind of template that you can use to get you almost all the way to getting your funnel up and running inside of Clickfunnels. They came out with this a while ago, and it's called the Cookbook builder process. And so what you want to do is to go to build a new funnel, and it's going to give you two different options. One, you can use the classic funnel builder. It's going to give you lots of different options. Or if you really want to be guided and taught kind of what funnel is best for what you're looking to do, then I recommend you check out the Cookbook process. So click Start Cookbook, and there is a really cool process of training or of learning what different funnels are available depending on your business or what this particular funnel is going to do. Is it going to sell a product? Is it going to be the homepage of your website? Well, let's just look at some of the options and a way to kind of work through the different options as well. So here they have some descriptions of industries. So if you're an author, a speaker, a coach, or consultant, then right away, if you click that button, it's going to give you the most likely pre-made funnels that are going to be suitable to your style of business. So there's a homepage funnel, a sales letter funnel, the application funnel. Probably if you're doing, coaching, consulting, then you're probably going to have people apply. So there's an application funnel. If you're just selling, your video training program or your membership or your book, then you might do the sales letter. Cancellation, that's kind of just a general one for businesses. Auto webinar, it's very likely that you'll want to do webinars. Two-step tripwire, if you're selling a book, this is very likely. The two-step is the first step is they put in their contact information. The second step is they buy it. A video sales letter, a webinar, a squeeze page to collect emails, a lead magnet funnel to collect emails, a summit funnel if you want to do an online summit, a membership funnel to build a membership site, a hero funnel, et cetera, et cetera. Now, the next part of the process, so let's say you're actually, in e-commerce. Now the options change. There's a sales letter funnel, the two-step tripwire funnel, video sales letter. Just the most likely recommended based on, Clickfunnels working with hundreds, maybe thousands of businesses. This is what they've found is generally what you need if you're running these types of businesses, right? Network marketing, there's network marketing funnels. So let's go back to author. And now the next step is to answer the question of what are you trying to do with this funnel? Are you trying to generate leads? Are you trying to collect email addresses, phone numbers, applications? Are you trying to sell a product, book, training course, membership, blah, blah, blah? Or are you trying to do an event or other, right? So this is really, really cool tool that not everybody knows, exactly how to use. And I just wanted to show you, this is a great way to understand, to be guided in which funnel is going to be right for you. So let's say you're a coach or consultant and you want to generate leads. So now it's going to give you a bunch of different options here, and you can select the funnel, and it's going to give you some more training and more information, which is really cool. So let's just look at the application funnel. Select that. This is really awesome. You can download a funnel map to have a reminder. You can print that out so you know what's going on here. Russell's got some training on just a quick little kind of intro to exactly, you know, how to use this funnel, how it works, and then you get the options for paid or free. So they always start off with the free funnel and templates that are included with Clickfunnels for this particular type of funnel. And then there are also people who independently make funnels that you can purchase as well. So they're available in the marketplace here. So you can see that there's a blank application funnel. So you really have everything you need here. Russell explains kind of how it works. You can get a map of the funnel to get a reminder, and then you just click one of these and it's going to go, Clickfunnels is going to start building that funnel for you with one of these templates. Or again, you can buy another type of template that somebody has bought. And if you click on any of these, it's going to give you another preview, I believe. I hope. Yes. So it's going to get another preview of what the application looks like using this theme. And obviously it's ClickFunnels, so you can go in and edit, you know, all the different pieces of it and everything like that. You can swap out your own text, your own links, your own picture, etc., etc. But this is a really great way to figure out which funnel is going to work best for what you're doing. It's a very simple process, and it's available for anybody that has ClickFunnels. Now, there's another cool way if you want to learn a bit more about all the different types of funnels and kind of get a bigger overview of the different funnels. There's actually a book that goes along with this training called the Funnel Hackers Cookbook, and in it there's a breakdown of kind of like basically all the different most used funnels in all of these thousands of businesses that ClickFunnels gets to see into and actually help them run. And they've got a description of all of the different types of funnels, some examples, how they work, etc. It's really cool. If you really want to understand how funnels work and you like visual and you like examples, it's a really cool resource. So they have all the different types of funnels here. Pretty much anything you're ever going to need to run an online business is right here in this book, explaining exactly how to use it. Let's check out a couple examples. Of course, there's a little bit of, you know, how to use ClickFunnels, some of the different elements that are available to you. Sometimes ClickFunnels gets kind of overwhelming with, you don't even know what all the options are. There's so much stuff out there. So it's really good to check back on this Funnel Hackers Cookbook and to, you know, just be reminded like, oh yeah, that's right. They have countdown timers. How could I use this? And then, you know, then once you get some funnels in place, then you can start thinking more creatively and think, how could I use this in my business? And you just might have forgotten because you're trying to learn, you know, how all the system works. You might forget that they have progress bars and they have icons. They have pricing tables. Maybe you want to add a pricing table. And they show you all these different elements, which is really cool. All the different pieces that are inside of ClickFunnels, how ClickFunnels works kind of on a basic level. And then most importantly, if my computer cooperates here, is to actually show you the funnels. So this is the video sales letter. They call it recipes because it's a cookbook. They liken, you know, building a funnel to using a recipe. So here's an example. They give you some tips on how to do it. There's the sales letter example. There's the product launch page, and each one has its own kind of basic template here, and they're all found inside of ClickFunnels. Really cool resource. So if you want to get that, you can either download the free PDF by checking out the links below this video, or if you want to get a physical copy, you can also get that for free plus shipping. Both links to both will be below here. So I just have the PDF version. Again, it's free to download, And just check the links below this video. And yeah, that's how you're going to know what funnel to use. So it starts with, what are you looking to do? And basically anything that you need to do in a business has already been done and figured out by Clickfunnels, so you don't really have to reinvent the wheel. You can just kind of go with, you're trying to generate leads, you're trying to sell something, you're trying to sell a membership, you're trying to do a webinar. They've already got it all figured out. They've already got it in there. So just tell them, through the Cookbook process, what you're looking to do, and they will help guide you to some funnels that will help you do it. So thanks for watching.